Hi everyone, and welcome back. Today, let's dive into AI-powered video creation with Sora AI and its features. First, we need to know what Sora AI is. Sora AI comes from OpenAI, a leading AI research and development company. Sora is an AI tool that lets you create videos from scratch using just text descriptions. Simply feed it a prompt outlining your vision, and Sora's powerful algorithms will translate those words into a full-fledged video. Here are some of its key features and benefits. Generate video from text. Simply write your script, and Sora brings it to life. Complex scenes with multiple characters. Sora handles bustling cityscapes and character dialogues effortlessly. Easy for beginners, Sora makes video creation a breeze. Say goodbye to lengthy editing. Sora speeds up the process. Create videos in different styles, from cartoons to realism. Complex scenes with multiple characters. Sora handles bustling cityscapes and character dialogues effortlessly. Now, the big question: when can you get your hands on Sora? Here's the catch. As of today, there's no official announcement about public access. OpenAI might be in a closed beta testing phase. Keep an eye out for Sora's official release. Its text-to-video feature is a game changer, making high-quality video creation accessible to all. Share your ideas for Sora AI videos in the comments and subscribe for updates. Thanks for watching.